I wanted to show you how the garden's looking. I've got my chip drop over there that I've been putting around my grapes and fruit trees. And I've got the garden fence all up. I am going in to the greenhouse in a minute, but I wanted to walk out here. I've got all the T-posts painted on this side and the boards painted so that when you look down you don't see the T-posts, the white of the T-posts. So it looks really nice. My other fruit trees down here, that section is going to be tomatoes and a little place to sit. So a couple of plum, a couple of peach I think, and some apricot. And then I got the chickens. I'm getting ready to feed them. So then I just have a gate on this side that I built. A gate up at the top, and then there's a smaller gate that goes right in front of the greenhouse. So my chicken coop has netting, really tight netting on it, heavy duty netting. It's aviary netting. It's really nice, so they can't get out. I have 16 hens in here and 1 rooster now, so I get plenty of eggs. Some of them are new hens, some of them are the ones that survived from the raccoon attack. And then over here I've got Ernie, the one with the turkey with the dislocated hip. He's actually doing better. I made this the hospital and put the little crippled duck in there. So he's doing good. Anyway, just wanted to show you and give you an update of what's going on. It's really looking nice. Let me take you over on the side. I didn't take you over here. So you could see how cool the T-post covered with a picket. Just looks like a wooden fence. Then I got my chicken coop over there and the little greenhouse painted, and got this shed painted. So I've been doing that this week. That's this week's projects. I've got to finish the mulch and create a pathway throughout the garden so that I can get stuff in and out of it. Okay. But yeah, just wanted to show you. I love you guys. Bye.